Hey beautiful viewer, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. Or if you're really new here, I am calm to be here diving the world timeless elegance of white midi skirt, a wardrobe stable that can allow your style game to a whole new level. First I'll talk about a casual chic look where your white midi skirt with a toque in graphic tee or cozy sweater throw on same sneaker or ankle boot for a stylish wave. Need a polished office look, taking the blouse or a crisp white shirt into your midi skirt. Add a sleek belt to define your visit and slip into the same heel or fair to complete the professional yet fashionable look. For the bohemian soul or dear embrace the for a flowy patterned blouse or a crop to top yet with your white miniskirt with a large sneaker, and don't forget your favorite sandal or ankle boot. When selecting a white midi skirt, pay attention to the fabric, cotton and linen gray are great for casual feel. White silk satin can add a touch for luxury. Consider the occasion and the level of comfort you desire. The right fit, the critical aim for a skirt that cinches at a visit flow gracefully down to the midi cuff. The length university flattering provide an elegant in your one wear season. Pair your white miniskirt with a colorful crop top or a floor bless embrace light white fabric, and don't be avoid this experiment with the vibrant accessories. As the weather cool down, layer up with a stylish coat or a chinky nice sweater. Tight or knee-high boot can add a warmth and touch of specification to your winter white miniskirt look. There you have it, a lovely white midi skirt are truly offering endless stylish possibilities. I hope this idea inspire you to rock your white midi skirt with a confidence. Don't forget to share your favorite look and tips in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay fabulous.